Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we have come up with very interesting questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. So the question that we have come up with is again pertaining to number system and is a question uh, for a number of trailing zeros or the number of zeros. Okay, so it's a very interesting question. So we have seen a lot of these questions in various exams, be it your GRE or GMAT. So a lot many times these questions have been asked in this examinations. Okay. So what we'll be doing is we'll be focusing ourselves on the question over here. We'll try and learn the concept pertaining to the same, and also we'll try and solve this question so that whenever we come across a question such as this further down the line, we are well adapted with the approach towards solving the same. Okay, now so then let's take a look. If x equal to 1 by 1 to the power 3 to y equal to 2 to the power 4, z equal to 3 to the power 5, and a equal to 4 to the power 6 dot 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 till w equal to 26 to the power 28, then the number of trailing zeros in x into y into z into a dot 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 till into w is okay. So before we tackle this question, let's understand a concept. Number of zeros or number of trailing zeros is the same thing, is always given by the highest power of 5. Okay, so this is our point. So basically we need to find how many times we have 5 in this expression. Okay, so now let's take a look at the question. We have x equal to 1 cube, y equal to 2 to the power 4. Okay, dot dot dot, so it continues till w, where w is equal to 26 to the power 28. Okay, so notice one thing, plus 2 is going, right? So therefore we'll have one term that we see 1 to the power 3, that is 1 to the power 1 plus 2, 2 to the power 4, that is 2 to the power 2 plus 2, again 26 to the power 28, that is 26 to the power 26 plus 2. Okay, so similarly if we go, we will have 5 to the powers 5 plus 2, that is 5 to the power 7. Okay, so we have 7 fives. We'll go at 10, 10 will be 12, so therefore again 12 fives in this regard, because 2 to the power 12 and 5 to the power 12 will have, so plus 12, 5, 10. Next up we have 15, 17. Okay, so 3 into 5. Okay, so we'll have 5 to the power 17, 17, 20. 20 will be to 22, so again 5 to the power 22. Okay, so this will be 22, and 25 to the power 27, so this will be 5 to the power 54. Okay, why? Because 25 is nothing but 5 square, so 54. Now if we add all these terms up, we have, so this would be 19, 19 plus 17 would be 36, plus 22 would be 58, plus 54 would be simply 112. 112 will be our answer, option C. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you. All we did was simply counted the number of files. Okay, we just observed a pattern in this regards and then subsequently just counted the number of files. So I hope this question is clear to you and the approach of the same as well. Now having said that, if you have any doubt, just go through the question and try to connect with the explanation I have given. That should be plenty in this regards. Okay, now having said that, if you are looking for detailed solution of the entire paper pertaining to all the different sections that we have studied, be it your VRC, LRD or Q in general, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in this regards. Okay, So having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so we will keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So having said that, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.